Hi friends, welcome back. This is Manjunath, Memory and Mind Performance Coach. Today's challenge is how you can tune your mind so that you can retain a lot of information and recall anytime whenever you want. Today's challenge, I'm going to talk about how you can reprogram your brain so you can retain any amount of data easily and you can recall whenever you want. The concept is the visual memory, and when you improve your visual memory, you can retain any information and you can recall whenever you want. And you can take out the word I forgot, I think. Those two words you can take out from your dictionary. Okay, let us get started. What is this visual memory? Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to display few words. You have to quickly remember. These words are just will flash and disappear. You have to just catch and remember. Okay, clear? Okay, let's go. Welcome back. How many words you are able to recall? There are totally 10 words. Are you able to recall all 10 words? When somebody asks you to remember list of things, what normally we do it, we do repetition. When you start doing repetition, your brain remember for longer time. When I ask you to remember quickly in one reading, there is an issue. We will not be able to retain those data because our brain is not programming in such a way that you can capture in one reading. So that is the challenge today, how you can retain those data easily in one reading using visual memory. What is this visual memory? Let me just quickly give an introduction, then you'll understand and you can make some magic the way you retain data, the way you recall. Clear? Right now I just displayed only 10 words, and every word, every second I started moving those words and you are able to just remember few words. And if you know already some memory concept, if you know some kind of visual concept, you can easily remember. If not, this is the issue. And also, if you know this visual memory concept, not only 10 words, not only 50 words, you can remember 1000 words in one reading. So, you know, there is a sports called Memory Championship. So I'm also one of the coach for national and international memory competition. What normally memory athletes they do it, they remember massive amount of data, thousands of data in one reading. And they recall immediately without single mistake. There is a competition, and they are not born genius. They are also normal people, but they reprogram their brain to remember, retain those kind of massive information using visual memory. I'm going to talk about what is this visual memory in this session, and also I'm going to give a challenge you have to follow to upgrade your brain to retain and recall any information, because I'm also specialized in that area, the memory dynamics, how we can learn faster, how we can retain maximum amount of data easily and quickly. These are like cognitive psychology. I'm going to give you little detail about that and you will enjoy. Okay, I'm going to give you a quick tips today, and also I'm going to ask you to do some assignment, some challenge every day to improve your brain ability. This is called visual memory. Clear? So I'm going to take the same list of 10 words. I'm going to explain how you can create mind movie, the visual format, the visual memory, so that you can retain any data in one reading. Okay, let us quickly get started. The first word, shopping mall. When I say shopping mall, what picture comes to your mind? Do you see spelling SHOPPING or the picture of shopping mall? Always picture, because your brain will remember picture easily. Visualize your favorite shopping mall. Clear? You are able to visualize? Imagine. If you don't know, just imagine the big shopping mall. When you enter into that shopping mall, you realize there is no shops. There is no the different material to buy. And what you see inside that shopping mall is a jungle. Visualize. It's an Amazon jungle inside the shopping mall. What you do is you go inside the jungle. As soon as you enter inside the jungle, there is no tree. There is no animal. You will see only rice bath in the jungle. Visualize. A delicious rice bath. You take one plate of rice bath, you are about to eat. Then you realize it is not a rice bath, it's a diamond, small diamonds. As soon as you touch the diamond, all the diamonds started moving upward just like a rocket. Then go and observe inside the rocket. Inside the rocket, there are a couple of monkeys are sitting and operating that rocket. Visualize. Imagine. And you know, monkeys, they do a lot of crazy things. These monkeys are landed that rocket on one big building. Visualize. the rocket is landed on that building, and inside that building there are a couple of white elephants are there inside that building. And when you go and verify what elephants are doing inside, then you realize elephants are operating computer, because the next word is computer. Inside the computer, somebody is giving a speech. Who is giving speech? Some politicians, they are giving speech, and elephant is sitting and watching that speech. Got it? Let us stop here. So what I try to do here is, I took the list of words, 10 items. I try to create a visualization. And when you start creating this kind of visualization, imagination, your brain remember easily. This is called a visual memory. Using your imagination, using your visualization, you can retain any data. That's what normally we do. All my memory athletes, what they normally do is they use this visual format to remember massive amount of data. Okay, today's challenge, what you have to do is, look at this list of words. You have to create a visualization to retain and remember these list of words. The first 10 words we already created visualization. Continue with that, and remaining 20 words you have to create a visualization. That is today's challenge. And also every day try to collect at least 20 to 30 words and try to create this kind of visualization. You will see magic. Whatever I explained today, it's a simple concept to remember. However, if you want to remember really big data, you have to understand deeper level of the psychology, deeper level of a memory dynamics. When you do that, you can create a magic. Any data, any kind of a professional data, your business data, your personal data, anything, everything you can remember at your fingertips. That's what the power of this visualization, power of imagination, and power of memory dynamics. If you want to learn this concept deeper level, normally I do a lot of free webinar to share this knowledge. Please visit my website www.meetmanjunath.com, and there you can find out free webinars time slot. You can register, and definitely we will meet and discuss about deeper level of this mind dynamics. I hope you are enjoying all these brain fitness challenge, and keep practicing. Make sure that your brain will be fit, healthy, and also enjoy your life. Wish you all the best. I'll see you in the next video.